Welcome to Timeframe, where history comes alive through the power of images. Today, we're exploring 30 rare and unseen historical photos that will blow your mind. These aren't just pictures, they're moments frozen in time, capturing untold stories, powerful emotions, and hidden truths the world has long forgotten. From the strange and shocking to the deeply inspiring, each image in this video reveals a side of history you've likely never seen before. In 1932, Tom Joyce, who claimed to be the strongest man in Bristol, demonstrated his strength by allowing 4 men to pull on a rope tied around his neck. A German soldier poses his dog for a photograph during the 1940s. In 1919, following the First World War, a woman wears a flu mask during the influenza epidemic. Between 1939 and 1951, in the United States, around 18,000 lobotomies were carried out on veterans, prisoners, political dissidents, and even children considered to be misbehaving. In 1955, a young patient is being fitted with a respirator. Frank Lentini, born in 1889, had a parasitic twin attached to the base of his spine, which included a pelvic bone and a partially developed set of male genitalia. Frida Pushnik was born on February 10, 1923, in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Despite being otherwise healthy, she was born without arms or legs. Around 1929, a woman uses an electric inhaler that generates a medicated mist for treating colds and influenza. In the 1860s, Lucy Hobbs Taylor became the first American woman to earn a degree from a dental school. Myrtle Corbin, photographed in 1880, was born with diabetes, a rare condition that gave her 2 fully functioning pelvises and 4 legs. Roy Lee Rocky Dennis, shown here with his mother Rusty, in 1977, was an American boy diagnosed with craniodiaphyseal dysplasia, a very rare and severe bone disorder. In 1985, 18-year-old Mike Tyson stands with his trainer Cus D'Amato in Albany, New York, just before his first professional boxing match. Babies at the Chicago Orphan Asylum being sunbathed in 1925 to prevent winter rickets. Coca-Cola, first sold in 1894 as a patent medicine, originally contained real cocaine in its formula. Victor Noir's grave in Père Lachaise Cemetery features a statue believed to possess fertility powers, leading visitors to kiss and touch it inappropriately. In 2004, a fence was installed to stop this behavior. Between 1930 and 1933 in New York, children marched in a protest parade demanding better housing conditions. In June 1942, potatoes were being diced for dehydration at the Regional Agricultural Research Laboratory in Albany, California. In 1957, Paul Anderson performed a back lift of 6,270 pounds, the heaviest weight ever lifted by a human. In 1955, a nurse shows a newspaper headline about the polio vaccine to a man confined to a chest respirator because of polio. Robert Wadlow, the tallest person in recorded history, stood at 8 feet 11.1 inches. He passed away in 1940 at the age of 22. In 1937, at the Smile Club in Budapest, Hungary, a woman uses a bandage and a fake smile to practice smiling. The club was created to help people battling depression and suicidal thoughts. In 1943 Army, whistles were being completed at the Modern Manufacturing Company plant in New York City. In 1907, Maud Stevens Wagner became the first recorded female tattoo artist in the United States. A woman showcasing her strength as a bodybuilder in the early 1900s. In 1897, during a bubonic plague outbreak in Karachi, India, a man receives an injection from a doctor. In 1955, the Zion Meat Company sponsored the Miss Sausage Queen contest during National Hot Dog Week. Around 1950 members of the Great Yarmouth Roller Skating Club gathered at Wellington Pier. A pin-up roller girl from the 1950s era. In 1965, President Lyndon B. Johnson used his amphibious car to prank visitors at his ranch by driving it directly into the lake. In 1890, criminals in China were confined using special restraint devices.